Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. So in Google Meet, click on New Meeting and then click on Schedule in Google Calendar. Right now it will appear this tab and you will have to add a title of your meeting. Then simply add when you want it to start. So let's say start tomorrow, ends tomorrow, and from 8:15 to 9:15 a.m. You can also set it up to be all day or repeat daily, weekly, or however you want. You can also change the time zone right here. You can join with Google Meet right now if you click on this link or copy this link to send to anyone. You can add guests right here. So just click and type their email addresses right here and add them like so. You can also set up the notification email or just a notification 30 minutes before the meeting or even days and hours before meeting. You can also add a location if you want and change the color however you want to see your meeting in the calendar. You can also add a description and attach attachments from Google Drive. Then just simply press save and you can choose if you want to send or don't send invitations on the emails to the calendar guests. So I will choose to send, and as you can see, the meeting is scheduled. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.